Create an email marketing campaign using the picture promise framework to capture the attention of our dear customer, of coaches and course creators, and generate interest in our service, which is in our CRM, which is called Coach Marketing Hub, the all-in-one marketing platform coaches need to succeed online and save a ton of money and time. Highlighting how our product fulfills its promises, include customer testimonials to support those claims, and include a call to action to encourage readers to take action. All right. Obviously, you could give more information about your products to pre-frame before we put in the actual prompt. Okay, so pre-framing the bot about your products and about your brand is very beneficial for you in order to get higher quality outcome. This is not what we're doing in this video. In this video, we are just simply sharing 5 email prompts